Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So if you didn't already know, we do a lot of work on horse trailers. And when I say horse trailers, this is the horse side. Still has windows, lights, and moldings and stuff. But here's the living quarters side. So if you haven't already checked us out on Facebook or any of our YouTube channels or groups, we encourage you to do so. We offer you a bunch of free tips, product information, how-to videos of updates of what's going on in the shop. And so you can see kind of like what we're working against and what's going on, and then here's this window. Obviously they were having leaks with it. You can see they used some kind of tape, and all the surface was taped up so that they could keep water from getting in that window area. So we'll figure that out, but just wanted to give you a quick look over another horse trailer that's in the shop for repair work. I believe we're doing a full roof reseal on it and a body reseal. And then we're going to check the insert moldings and a lot of the other stuff while it's here. Each unit that comes into the shop, we still do the free exterior evaluations. So we're looking for things that are going to cause you problems and damage. And then just something I just noticed. So besides the awning fabrics going bad, they used the Turnabond tape to go ahead and cap the sidewall to keep water from getting in there. All right, well, stay tuned for more. And as we dive into this bad boy, we'll get you some more pictures and videos of things that we're working on it. But again, if you have a horse trailer, anybody that has a horse trailer, we do repair work on them, and we help keep up all the maintenance and the appliance stuff. Thanks so much for watching.